What is up, guys? Welcome back to Borch Crypto. Today we're going to be checking out Parcl and how you can join the airdrop. So it's pretty simple. Really briefly, Parcl is basically a platform where you can speculate on real estate prices for cities. Okay, so as you can see here, you have Brooklyn, New York, Houston, London, different other cities where you can speculate whether the price is going to rise or fall, and accordingly just do longs or shorts. I think you can even do leverage. I have not traded on the platform, but it is pretty cool. Let's get into how you can join the airdrop. It's really simple. As you can see here, Parcl Points Season 2, supercharge your trading experience. Okay, so if you click on view, you will be taken into the points. Okay, so if you haven't joined or done anything yet, this is what you'll see here. Just click on activate points. I agree. And here we can see the rewards distribution. So if you are going to add liquidity, you're going to be getting 4 points per dollar per day. And if you're going to be trading, 2 points per dollar per day. That's how it works. If you click on activate, you will join the program. Right now, I am not going to be earning any points. So how do you earn points? So there's currently 2 more ways to earn additional points for the Parcl Airdrop. You can refer friends and earn 10% of the points earned for each user that you refer. And you can also own a homeowners association NFT. As you can see, there are different NFTs that you can purchase in this collection of different rarities. But if you hold one of these NFTs, you're going to be getting a 20% boost. Keep in mind, the price is currently around $2,000, so not for everyone, definitely. So how to provide liquidity, guys? Really simple. Click on provide liquidity. And here you can enter the amount of USDC you wish. Keep in mind, it will be locked for a period of 30 days. Click on understand. And that's it, guys. Really simple. Just deposit, confirm, just wait for this to go through, and that's it, guys. I am earning 372 points per day. You can boost your earnings, as I've mentioned before. Just go here, go into referrals, and here you can enter the code Borch. Okay, really simple. If you enter my code, you are going to be getting 5% extra rewards. Keep in mind, the updates are in 24-hour intervals, so you are going to see instantly your points, but with the next update, you should be seeing your points going up and your position in the ranking. That's pretty much it for this short tutorial, guys. I really do appreciate if you share, like, and comment. Good luck out there, and I'll see you in the next video.